Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Mahmood Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson first, hardware and software exercise. So let's start this video. Fill in the blanks. Question of first, the part of computer that can be touched and seen are called. The part of computer that can be touched and seen are called hardware. Here given the hint, you fill here hardware. Second, the devices used for storing data are called. The devices used for storing data are called storage devices. You fill storage devices. Third, the devices which give results after processing are called. The devices which gives results after processing are called output devices. You fill output devices. Fourth, a set of instructions given to the computer is called. A set of instructions given to the computer is called software. You fill software. Fifth, the dash manage the overall working of computer. You fill operating system. The operating system manage the overall working of a computer. B, state true or false. Question number first, the software that can do a specific type of work is called system software. The statement is false because this is called the application software. So this statement is false. 2. A scanner is an input device. Yes, this statement is true. Scanner is an input device. Third, paint program is used for drawing pictures. Paint program is used for drawing pictures. Yes, this statement is true. Fourth, a printer is an output devices. Yes, this statement is also true. Printer is an output devices. So fifth, the devices through which we get output are called input devices. The devices through which we get output are called input devices. This statement is false because such type of devices is called the output devices, not the input devices. C, match the following by coloring the pair with the same color. Input devices, you match input devices, keyboard. Data here. Data means you match like this. Input devices match keyboard. Data, you match data. This one is the data, 90 plus 65 plus 69 plus 3. This one is the data. Storage devices, hard disk. Hard disk is a storage devices. And hardware is printer is called the hardware. Keyboard we also call hardware, but here. And software, song. You match song. Software match to song. When this is the matching. Other application based questions. Question number first, Kabir sing a song and records in it the computer. Which input device did he use? Answer is microphone. Kabir use microphone to record. Next application based question, Sina draw a greeting cards using a specific software. What type of software did she use? The name of software, application software, MS Paint. MS Paint means this one the application software and the name of software MS Paint. Name the device used for each of the following job. First, a device commonly seen in video parlor for playing game. The name of this device, joystick. Joystick is used for playing game. Second, a device used to record our voice and other sounds in a computer. Microphone means microphone used to record our voice and other sound in a computer. Third, a device that can read words, pictures or numbers from paper and store them in a computer. The name of the device, scanner. Fourth, a device used to hear sounds and music stored in a computer is called speakers. speaker used to hear sound and music stored in a computer. After that, answer are the following questions. Question number first, what is the software? Name its type. Software is that part of computer which cannot be seen and touched. Means software is that part of computer which cannot be seen and touched. There are two types of software. First, system software and application software. Question number 2, what is a storage device? Give one give any one example. The devices that are used for storing data are called storage devices. The devices that are used for storing data are called storage devices. Here example, for example, CD is an example of storage devices. There are so many examples: CD, DVD, pen drive, chip, hard disks. Question number 3, what do we call the hardware devices that are used to enter words, number or pictures? Input devices are used to enter words, numbers or pictures. Means such type of devices is called input devices. Question number 4, which application software is used for typing and making correction in the text? WordPad is used for typing and making correction in the text. WordPad, WordArt. Here WordPad is used for typing and making corrections in the text. Question number 5, name the program used for performing calculation. Calculator is the program used for performing calculations. Calculator is the program used for performing calculations. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. Means exercise of your first lesson. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Thank you.